Hello guys, so good evening. In this video I want to show you or tell you a trick to work with a checked fabric just like this. Now if you observe, most of these stripes, most of these checks most times will not be straight, like if you don't iron them. Now but then that's not my concern. So my concern is to show you how to align the stripes at the side of either trouser or shirt. Now it will be more professional that before you start cutting, make sure that these stripes are corresponding like this. You get, like, use one, target it very well just like this, and once you lap it very well this way, you now use it to trace others, so that when you are joining your shirts, the sides will correspond, the button allowance will correspond, the trouser leg will correspond. Because if you just make this stripe or this check to alter this way, like making the check area to be on the unchecked area like this, you have ruined the job. Most tailors don't know this. They just, place stripe any way they want, and or check any day they want, and they start working on it. It's not meant to be so. You are meant to correspond this carefully, align it, so that everything will tally. Do you get? And if you do it this way, you will notice that when you draft your trouser or your shirt, then the correspondence will not be a coincidence. It will be a very well calculated attempt or approach in using to achieve a perfect finishing. Time has gone when people don't pay attention to details just like this. So you need to make sure you also do yours. I have cut the trouser. Let me show you the trouser. So this here is my trouser. Now if you observe, the front panel and the back panel are also corresponding. Do you get? This is how you must correspond all of it. Like, you must do it this way so that it corresponds very well. Even the front panels, like the one inside, is also corresponding, so that when you sew your trouser, the check will be uniformly aligning and not to be in a disorganized way, right? You should make sure that your trouser is in very perfect patterning. This helps even the hip region. Everything must correspond. This is very important lecture. You might hardly see this anywhere on the internet or even in a tailoring shop, but then this is how it should be, so that everything must align. Everything must align. So this is what I just felt to show you guys this evening. Thanks for watching.